Hello dear student, today we will learn a new thing, that is AI with Python. So to know and to learn about AI with Python, we need to learn about Python first. So let's start with a remarkable and very popular, mostly used programming language, that is Python programming language. So dear student, what is Python programming language? Python is a most popular, widely used programming language. Python is mainly a scripting language. Now, what does it mean? Actually, what is the particular definition of Python? So, before going to the definition of Python, we must know the man Guido van Rossum, who actually created Python. This man is responsible for Python, and this man is responsible for all the wonderful apps done by Python, because this man Guido van Rossum created Python. So now, what is the history? Actually, Guido van Rossum in 1980s, he was doing some work with mathematics, because he was a mathematician, also a computer scientist. He invented Python in his computer lab. And now, come back to the Python. What is Python? My dear student, Python is a interpreted high level general purpose programming language. It is designed with the philosophy of code reusability, easy use of code, easy flexible modify ability of code, etc. Python is a programming language which is very portable, that can be used with C, C++, Java code. Python is also dynamically typed programming language. Python also supports a huge range of libraries. So just you remembered some these keywords, later on I will describe. Next, specifically, Python is a programming language, and Python is used to develop web application, software development, mathematical problem solution, and system scripting. Now, what a Python can do? Dear student, Python can be used on a server to create web application. Python can be used to create the application software. Python can connect a database system. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. Now, why Python? Why we will use Python? My dear student, Python can perform so many important software development on the operating system platform like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python is also a very easy programming language to be used as a software development tool which use the simple English language. Python syntaxes, that means grammars, and the rules and processes of using codes are very simple and very easy to modify program with Python. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that the code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that prototyping can be very quick. That means in a Python interpreter where you can run a Python code just after writing the code. So it is very easy to execute the code, run the code. Last but not the least, Python can be treated in a procedural way, an object-oriented way, on a functional way. So for this reason, we will use Python. Now, it may be not clear for you that why I will use Python for these boring thoughts, for this boring theoretical matter. No. Now, my dear students, I want to describe some features of Python, then you will be able to understand. So first, Python is high level programming language. Second, it is easy to learn. Third, class cross platform support, that means Python can be used on any software and hardware platform. Dynamically typed language, that is point number 4. Point number 5, functional plus object oriented programming language. Point number 6, Python provides a huge range of library. 7, it provides a wide application area where we can use Python to build the software. Point number 8, huge demand in industry. That's why it is widely used programming language now these days. Point number 9, fast prototyping. Point number 10, multi-paradigm language. I want to add one more thing. Python is an open source programming language. You can download Python interpreter easily. So these are the programming language. It is written and you can use. Now, top 10 features where we can use Python. That is more remarkable feature of Python, that why we will learn Python. We will learn Python because Python can be used in these areas like coding, quick learning curve, open source library, support community, machine learning, data science, automation, multi-purpose usage. So these are the things. Now next part, it is most important why we will use Python. We will use Python for the versatile applications of Python. What is that? You can see Instagram. Now these days we use Instagram as a popular social networking site. Dropbox, you can see a popular cloud software. Spotify, which is used to learn many types of songs. Uber, to just hire any vehicles from the Uber anytime, anywhere. So these are the applications. Once more application, Django, the software, database software, it can be used by Python. Then many applications, Falcon, Cubic Web, Bottle, Turbo Gears. These applications are very famous and can be are developed with the Python. Now most importantly, you can see YouTube, the mostly widely used website or web application we use daily. Billions and trillions of human being on the world are using YouTube, developed by Python. Dropbox, developed by Python. Google application softwares, developed by Python. Instagram, I have already told. Pinterest, developed by Python. So these are the companies, those who are using Python. Yahoo, Google, NASA, YouTube, Microsoft, every company are using Python in these days. Now, we know that Python is used to develop YouTube, but in which section of YouTube Python is used most? My dear student, actually YouTube API or application programming interface, that means the interface, the window that we are using for YouTube is made by Python. And once more thing, you can see at the top right of your screen, Python is used to make the YouTube downloader. Frequently use the YouTube downloader that is developed by Python. So next part, it is most important. In these days, we are dealing every day with artificial intelligence. So Python is used also for this artificial intelligence. So now dear students, these are the things. Python actually used for many applications. AI application is OpenCV, working with images, drawing with OpenCV, detecting edges, detecting face, eye detection, okay, and many more like virtual personal assistant, social media services, online customer support, online fraud detection, product recommendations. So these are the areas of AI where we can use Python. So this much for today for Python. Thank you dear students.